How to log into your Wells Fargo account. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Wells Fargo online banking. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is log into the Wells Fargo's official website. Go ahead and open up any web browser and search for Wells Fargo, or you can just directly type in the URL wellsfargo.com and just open up the first result that you see on your screen. So right here on the top right corner, you have an option to sign on. You can just tap on it and you will be taken to a different sign-in portal right here. So as you can see, you have an option to enter your username and then your password. So once you have entered your username and your password, if you want the browser to remember your username, you can tap on Save Username and check this box and simply tap on Sign On. And if you are not able to do that, then you just have to make sure that all of your sign-in credentials are correct. Or in case if you've forgotten your username or password, you can just tap on this link to reset it. You'll just have to enter your SSN or ITIN number. You can also use your account username or your account number to reset your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.